Hello everyone, my name is Dennis, I'm from SDCentrum, and our team helps companies to make the business critical decision by providing the correct and comprehensive information. And we are doing that by integrating data, migrating data from various sources, ensuring the data quality. And by the way, today I'd like to discuss how we could craft the data quality strategy by utilizing the Microsoft stack. And Microsoft provides different and various beautiful tools you could utilize towards your data strategy in general. Data quality is critical for business operation today and decision making, of course. Poor quality data can lead to the costly errors, misinformed decision, and damage the reputation. It's critical to have a well-defined data quality strategy in place. So let's discuss these Microsoft tools that would help you leverage your data quality in the organization. Let's start with the Azure Data Factory that helps you to integrate the data from disparate sources. Azure Data Factory simplifies the process, enabling seamless data movement, transformation, and consolidation. This ensures that data is in one place and ready for analysis. And Power Query provides you great options for the data transformation. It's available in Excel and Power BI and allows you to clean, shape, and enrich your data, building the beautiful data model. This eliminates duplicates, handle missing values, and standardize data formats to enhance the data quality. You could use Azure Data Lake Analytics for the in-depth data profiling. It enables you to identify anomalies and data quality issues, as well as highlight them for the further remediation. SSA is such a powerful ETL tool that helps in data cleansing by executing transformation on the data. With different connectors and options to validate, correct, and enrich data, you could load out from the various system and to the various system that will provide you options for the data cleansing. SQL Server got data quality services that is designed for data cleansing and enrichment. DQS will ensure the data accuracy and consistency. Master data services are perfect for managing master data, such as customer, product, or employee records. MDS enforces data governance rules and maintains data quality across the whole organization. ADC or Azure Data Catalog helps track data lineage, usage, and metadata, allowing you to monitor data quality continuously and identify any improvement areas. Did you know that you can set data quality rules with the Power BI data flows? This will ensure that reports and dashboards are built on the foundation of clean and reliable data. And finally, Microsoft 365 provides you the option for data governance to ensure data quality through policies, access controls, and data retention rules. And if you need a hand with the data quality or data integration or data migration, please feel free to ping me. My contact details here on this slide, and you can also find me on LinkedIn. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.